Hello, Agile enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey through two pivotal approaches in the software development world: the Waterfall and Agile methodologies. Let's illuminate these concepts with a straightforward example. Suppose you're tasked with organizing a grand wedding. In the realm of the Waterfall method, every detail would be meticulously planned from the get-go, selecting the venue, finalizing the guest list, deciding the menu, and orchestrating the entertainment, all before any implementation begins. Each step is sequential and must be finalized before proceeding to the next. Imagine realizing you want to change the venue after sending out invites. It's a logistical nightmare due to the sequential nature of planning and execution. Now, envision organizing the same wedding using the Agile methodology. Planning and execution occur in smaller, manageable chunks, or iterations. Initially, you might decide on a theme and send out save the dates. After receiving feedback, you choose a venue, and then finalize the menu, always remaining open and adaptable to alterations. If a guest suggests a different caterer, it's effortless to modify because you're operating in flexible, adaptable phases. Translating this to software development, Waterfall adopts a linear, structured approach, moving from requirements to design, implementation, verification, and finally, maintenance, with each stage heavily reliant on its predecessor. It's methodical but lacks flexibility. Conversely, Agile adopts an iterative and flexible stance. Development unfolds in small, iterative cycles, known as sprints, with customer feedback being integral after each cycle, ensuring the development is not only adaptable but also customer-oriented. Both methodologies come with their own set of advantages and challenges. While Waterfall might be apt for projects with well-defined requirements, Agile shines in scenarios where customer involvement and adaptability are paramount. Join us in our next videos as we dive deeper into these methodologies, arming you with the knowledge to seamlessly navigate your software development endeavors.